Hey everybody, this is Junior, and this is what's going on in Denton up here. We don't get snow like this often, so I'd figure we probably got, I don't know, 2 inches so far. It is really coming down. I gotta show everybody what it looked like. Furnace is just a running over there, but it is a pure blizzard. Look at this. Isn't it wild? Little car is just covered up. Everybody wondering where the red car is at. We sold that little Honda. A young man wanted it bad, so we sold it to him. I'm working on getting me another truck, so we'll see how that goes. But it's Saturday. Nobody's out and about, but it is a pure blizzard. Look at that. Look at the new house over yonder. It's covered up. Wow, it is really coming down. This is pretty cool. Well, the woods ain't the woods no more. That old boy over there is building my house, and he's cleared off a bunch of woods over there. Oh, look at that bird come flying in here. Down there looking for him something. Look at him over at the bird feeder. See if I can zoom in on him. Look at the birds are all in the bird feeders. Yes, oh, I should have put some seed in it. But it is coming down. Look at that. Oh, the flag got blowed around. You see it is really coming down. You see over there at the house, it's like a fog over there, so much snow falling. Well, that's about it, people. We'll talk to you later. Bye.